Hi, I'm Vidmay Naini, the head of international marketing for eBay. eBay is the world's largest marketplace. We have our sites in 39 countries and users from more than 180 countries across the world. eBay is a marketplace which is similar, for example, as a shopping mall, where a shopping mall like, for example, in Hyderabad, GVK1, which is a shopping mall where individual retailers come and sell their products within the shopping mall, and the shopping mall is responsible for getting in buyers as well as advertising the shopping mall and increasing sales for the individual retailers. Similarly, eBay is like a shopping mall where individual sellers like you and me can come and sell online, and buyers come and buy on eBay. And eBay marketplaces is what distinguishes it from the other retailers. So eBay is, as I said, is a marketplace where individuals can come and list as well. On eBay at any given point of time in India, we have close to more than 2 million listings which are live at any given point of time, where buyers can come and buy on, and we have significant amount of sellers coming and selling on site. So eBay is by users of eBay are present all across India. All states are represented, that is 28 states, 7 union territories across India is represented among eBay. Buying online is absolutely safe. We need to keep in mind certain parameters before we buy online. Always buy from a reputed website. Websites such as eBay always protects the buyer with various protection programs such as eBay Buyer Protection. We also have money back guarantee and various other initiatives that ensure that the buyer comes first and their interests are protected. Additionally, online shopping is the most convenient and safe method with various safety features that are available on site. Recently, the RBI introduced a second factor authentication on site, where you have to input your passwords before transacting while making your credit card, debit card or online transactions. So from that point of view, the security is enhanced and you have the highest level of confidence among all consumers currently who are transacting to purchase online. Indian market is at a phenomenal phase right now for e-commerce. E-commerce is growing at projected to grow at 45% this year based on IMA numbers, and we expect this to take off for the years. As far as promotions is concerned, eBay has a variety of promotional mix which include mass media as well as individual online targeted campaigns that we do. We do reach out to almost all the online users through our efficient internet marketing campaigns, and we've also done a round of television as well as print media in the recent months. As we discussed earlier, Hyderabad is the 6th largest e-commerce hub in India. We see Hyderabadis buying, selling, importing as well as exporting products, where we have interesting trends coming through, such as, for example, Hyderabadis sell a lot of home appliances. They are the home appliance capital sellers of the India. They also buy interesting stuffs like electronic gadgets, tablets. They buy or import, for that matter, vintage car parts. They buy clutches. They also buy camera flashes, which is again an interesting product. What is interesting that they sell is hair trimmers. They also sell, for example, they sell PC action games. And another interesting facet, for example, is for Hyderabadis, especially Karatabad, users from Karatabad buy a lot of building blocks and toys. So, like I said earlier, when we discussed, due to corporate disclosure policies, we are not at liberty to disclose individual city or country specific numbers. We can disclose the global numbers. Like I said, we've done the overall sales of 2,78,100 crores of gross merchandise sales on eBay worldwide in 2010. Like I said, eBay is a marketplace. We have a large number of sellers listing at any given point of time. Our sellers own the product as well as interact with the buyers directly. eBay is just a platform like a mall where we ensure that the marketing and buyers come to eBay, whereas the sellers list their product, control their own inventory, and ship their products out to the buyers directly. And hence, we have significant amount of sellers selling on site. So eBay, over the period of last 10 years, have made significant investments. Again, due to corporate disclosure policies, we do not disclose specific investments made in individual countries. Through the acquisition, there were significant investments made, and also as and when required, as the market demands, eBay is here for the long run to create customer value for online shoppers, and we will make the right kind of investment as and when required. So like I mentioned earlier, we are at a very good place. We have been market leaders for consistently for the last since we are present, in fact, and in India, and we've been growing at significant double-digit growth over the last 1 year, and we expect to breach the 3-figure mark as we move along to the next year.